I'm not her first pancake, I'm not even her first child. The VHS trembles like it's cold, like it knows. Mom's voice leaks through the plastic, singing happy birthday to someone softer, smaller, already gone. I taste iron where trust used to be 1111 flips behind my eyes. The pancake burns if Hannah died. Why does the tape keep breathing? If I'm the rescue, why does the attic whisper replacement? I press play again, heartbeat sinking to the lot. The mirror shows a belly I never noticed, round, alive, the same baby squeals, older. The same woman smiles, younger, the same door rattles, not cops a name. I wake to butter sizzle Sunday, our kitchen sun. Is syrup gold? Mom hums off key. She calls it the lullaby that found me. I sit, chair legs know my weight. Plate waits, she flips the first pancake exactly at 11:11. Same minute I was born, she says, same minute every week. Steam curls like a tiny ghost, I pour the river of maple. She watches, smiles soft, eyes glassy, I taste, she breathe. Routine so tight it hurts to love, after eating we wash in silence. Her ring clinks the sink, she scrubs the same spot till it gleams, I dry. Towel smells like sun and lavender, we go upstairs. Hallway pictures march in order. Me missing teeth, me holding fish, me in cap and gown. I pause at the attic door, latches loose again, she always says wind. She kisses my forehead, tells me laundry needs, folding I nod, she walks away. I stare at the attic step, something inside creaks, not the house. Something breathing slower than wind, I touch, the doorknob metal is warm, I pull back. Assume it's summer breathing through, would assume Mom closed it wrong. Assume I'm still the oldest, but the warmth pulses like a hidden wrist counting down. I push the attic door, its sighs like a lung, dust climbs my throat. I swallow it whole, my phone light shakes, circle jumps across beams. I follow the bounce, cardboard corner peaks box, says Hannah 1995. Letters are Mom's tidy scream, I crawl, knees grind plank, splinter stings, I don't flinch. I need to see tape first, black rectangle, white label smeared, then bracelet. Pink plastic, safety pin, rust, hospital name, not ours, not mine. My heartbeat fills the attic, drumskin tight, I taste tin. I tell myself it's a cousin, tell myself Mom saved junk, tell myself keep breathing. I crab walk down ladder, steps creak under new weight, VHS under shirt. Plastic sweats against skin, living room dark, only TV standby. I slot tape. Click swallowed by quiet screen, blooms blue, then white hospital blanket, Mom's face younger. Red eyes happy, she lifts bundle, tiny fist cuffs her necklace, she whispers. I can't hear captions, crawl, happy first birthday, Hannah, my knees fold, I sit hard. Remote clatters, I repeat my name, it sounds rented, I tell myself accident. Tell myself wrong tape, tell myself still, oldest picture keeps rolling, cake with one candle. Mom blows it, she kisses baby forehead, says love you, forever, air leaves me. I try to inhale, nothing moves, room tilts, I press stop, screen snaps black. My reflection stares, eyes stranger, mouth open wet, I hear attic door bump. I imagine Mom climbing, I imagine confession, I imagine I'm adopted. I imagine grief, I never knew, I hold bracelet edges, bite palm, blood spot blooms. I watch it spread, I still can't breathe, then tape clicks again, motor keeps alive. I never pressed play, screen lights without me, I see mirror behind Mom. She's pregnant again, same baby in arms, candle, now two, caption fades, Hannah today. Front door pounds, voice calls, Mom not cops, girl voice, why stranger in my room. I press stop, the room stops spinning, I finally get it. Mom couldn't tell me I was adopted, she watched Hannah die. She wrapped that grief in pancake smoke and 11 wishes. She gave the first pancake to me, the replacement. I'm the understudy who never knew the play. My real name is probably Ashley, maybe Emily, doesn't matter. I'm the leftover love she could stomach, I feel lighter, like shedding a skin. This is the bottom, I think this is the worst part. I let the remote fall, I let myself fold onto the carpet. I cry the way kids cry, loud, Shameless, I tell myself healing starts here. We'll buy new syrup, we'll say the word adopted out loud. The VHS is still warm, I should eject it, I do. I lie there counting heartbeats, they sound like sorry, sorry, sorry. I picture Mom downstairs, arms around her knees, waiting for me to come forgive her. I picture myself doing it. I picture us living the screen stays black good. I whisper goodbye to Hannah, the ghost, the one who got the real name. I'm ready to be whoever I might even smile, it tastes like salt. I close my eyes, I breathe all the way, and then the tape exhales. A tiny click, I hear it, the click isn't the end, it's a hint. A mouth opening, I feel the attic tilt. Like the house just sighed and rolled me toward the screen, black glows, then gray. Then her younger hair, longer, no gray at all. She's on the same couch I cried on tonight. Holding the same baby blanket I found in my crib box. But the bundle inside is a live pink face squirming. She lifts the baby high so the camera can see. She says the name again. Hannah, not past tense, present. I wait for the funeral voice, it never comes. Instead she sings happy second birthday, 2 candles on a cupcake. I count the months between her belly and the mirror, and this second cake. The math is simple, cruel. Hannah didn't die, she grew. The caption appears slow. White on black handwriting font. Hannah, today my lungs shrink to walnut. I hear my own pulse inside the tape, because the next frame is this house. This hallway, this door. The camera walks past my room, stops at the next. The one I thought was storage, a hand turns the knob inside. A bed. Pink quilt, school photos, one for every grade. I never attended, same face. Older each year, still Hannah, I'm the copy, the replacement cartridge. Footsteps on the real stairs, now not the recording. They match the rhythm on the tape, perfect sync. I back away from the TV. The attic ladder quivers, someone is climbing. I want to shut the tape off. I can't find the button, my fingers slip on plastic sweat. The voice floats up before the body, soft, confused. Mom, why is a stranger in my room? Stranger, she means me. I realize I am standing in her spot, firstborn spot, oldest spot. It was never mine to give up. I could hide, I could run. I could stay and claim squatter's rights on a life. I already lived 19 years. The ladder creaks one more step, and she'll see me. I still don't know my real name. I don't know if I'm the guest. Or if she is. I open my mouth, no sound, only the tape still rolling. Mom's younger voice answers from the past. Say hi to your sister. I rewind. I press play again. I need the lie to stay dead. Mom's 19-year-old arms cradle the same pink blanket. She sways, she sings. The mirror behind her shows a belly round as a full moon, another baby inside. Same day, same blanket, no funeral, no coffin, no ashes on the mantle. I count months on shaking fingers, 2 birthdays, 1 pregnancy, 0 graves. The caption breathes. Hannah, today my throat tastes like rust. I back away from the attic hatch. The ladder wobbles, my foot misses the rung. Downstairs the front door rattles, not cops. Not SWAT, not a battering ram. A single knock, polite, patient, familiar. A voice I have never heard, yet somehow rehearsed in nightmares. Why is a stranger in my room? I wait for Mom to scream, she does. She whispers, go away. The hinges sigh, footsteps on the tiles, sneakers, size small. I creep to the banister, I see the top of a head. Same curls as the tape, same ribbon. She looks up, eyes like mine, only brighter. She smiles like she practiced high. She says I grip the VHS, plastic creaks. I want to hurl it, I hug it instead. Mom appears behind her, arms open. Tears already drying, she mouths one word. But my legs are birth certificates glued to the floor. Hannah tilts her head. I have no answer that doesn't erase one of us. The tape keeps rolling in the attic. I hear lullabies drifting down like dust. Mom steps between us, shoulders shaking. She can't pick, she already did. The lights flicker. The house exhales. I reach for the rail, splinters bite skin. Hannah takes 1 step up, I take 1 back. The staircase stretches, miles of carpet. I open my mouth, still no name, only the question neither of us can survive.